Hello, I hope you are well. So in today's video, I wanted to speak to you about AI and how our job will look like in 2030. Well, software engineers will still be needed, but of course, for way more complex tasks. That means for simple tasks, we will be able to outsource that to AI, and we will use different tools to make our job more efficient. We would more be focused on solving problems, on strategies, on the domain. Like, okay, there's like a business here. I really need to understand very well the context of the business so I can ask AI to build something very specific for my needs or for the needs of the business. And I will be needed for very important, crucial tasks and to review everything, that everything goes well. And also, if something goes wrong, I can also, if an agent doesn't work, or to set up everything, like I will be there to set up the agents, I will be there to set up the pipelines. If there is a problem, a major problem, and agents cannot solve this, I will also be the one. So teams will be reduced, less software engineers in the same project. We don't need like a team of 10 software engineers to migrate AngularJS into React. That's not longer needed anymore. Only one person, one engineer, and they would use AI for doing that very efficiently, and they would streamline everything to AI. They would look very carefully if everything works well. Automation is the same. We would outsource that to AI. We will ship it, but to set up all of the whole architecture and the agents, and to set up the different ways we want business to communicate with AI, and also like the whole infrastructure needed. Of course, a software engineer will be needed. So our job will look different. We have to keep learning, as we have always been doing since the beginning of our job, but our commitment in our job will just be different. But yes, we will be needed. Less people though for a team or for a specific task, and it will require more like higher level, as a software engineer, higher level approach, I would say, in the code base. So for everything will be higher level. On the infrastructure too, you will work on a much higher level, and you will not do like coding and like getting your hands dirty into code, or you will not have to choose between JavaScript, Python, or TypeScript anymore. Of course, Python will also be the main dominant programming language. It used to be JavaScript for quite some time, for quite a while, before it was PHP. C# also is still now, I mean, C# is still a quite used language. It has never been the number one, and it will never be. But similar to Java, Java has been out there for so long, and it will still be relevant. But I believe Python will be the number one programming language. For machine learning, it has been like the programming language to choose. And yeah, you will build a new career from a different way of doing things as a software engineer. So again, it will be way more about thinking and understanding and writing prompt than writing code.